Although it's hardly Canada, we do have a little bit of winter just now. You don't want to go outside? You neither? I don't know. You don't want to go outside? What is the matter with everybody? Well, you can't anyway because we're locked down. It's actually illegal to ride a motorbike for pleasure at the moment, and probably until about April. Oh dear. Good morning, Wolfgang. Here's your Christmas present. What do you mean you don't want that? Okay. Would you prefer this instead? Right. Okay, let's best read the instructions. Okay, so in the box we've got our instructions online. We've got the plate itself, some bolts, fancy Perun Moto stickers. Whoa! So probably the hardest part of this will still be getting it out this wrapping. So there we go. Basically it's a plate that fits on the bike to stop rocks from coming up from underneath. So there's the rear brake master cylinder, and you can see that from underneath here, if you hit a boulder or whatever, it could become detached. So this fits on and just protects the underside. We remove this bolt here and this bolt here and put replacement bolts in to hold that in place. Let's get on with it. Feels quite stiff. Okay. Yeah, it felt a bit odd. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Presumably that gets replaced with this bolt here with the spacer. And then that one there will fit that there. They're just a bit longer to take account of the plate dimensions. So there's the original. There is a space here where a rock could, unlikely, but it could impact and knock that off. So this is just a little bit of a guard. This bike is much more ruggedized, if you like, than the 790 that I had. So kind of doing the opposite with this bike. A little bit of ruggedization, mainly making it more roadworthy. So it's more of an adventure bike. Whereas I took the adventure bike to make it more off-road. Kind of meeting in the middle, hopefully. Next job is to fit the spacer into fit the protector. It says not to tighten yet. Put that in loosely. So that's a nut with an insert on it. .8 mm by 1.25, I think, and it goes in okay until it reaches the end of where this would reach. Apparently the thread's going a bit further. So I don't think it's that bolt. The same size, slightly different make. Let's see if it will go in. Yeah, it too just comes to a halt. Okay. Place the Friday space in the foot peg mount hole. There you go. Foot peg mount hole. Doesn't say anything about putting any Loctite on it, but personally I'm putting Loctite on it. Not going to tighten that yet. Fit this here. No problem with that. Screwed up, tightened up nicely. 15 Newton meters, it said on the instructions. Job's a good one. So, just a minor annoyance, having to just run a 8 by 1.25 tap through that. You can see underneath there that cylinder is now protected by this guard, and all's well that ends well. Codger Biker is out.